everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tubby Time. Today we are going to be using our newly acquired springform pan and making a cheesecake. We are going to start off with making the crust. You will need a 1/3 cup of butter, 5 tablespoons of sugar. You need to melt the butter first. I forgot. You're going to melt the 1/3 cup of butter. And in the meantime, you can start breaking up your graham crackers because you need 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I always have trouble with this. Alright, so this is a cup so far. Alright, we'll see if this is a 1/2 cup. Yeah, close enough.
Look at that. Wow.
Now we'll get our melted butter. So now we can just add the melted butter into our crushed graham crackers and sugar and mix it up. And this is it for the crust. Pretty simple. Right now we can put it in the bottom of the springform pan. I guess you don't need to line the pan with anything or spray it. You just want to make sure it's even across the bottom of the pan all the way. Try to press it down as much as possible. All right, and that's the crust. So we can set that off to the side and now get all of our ingredients for the cheesecake portion. Now we're going to move on to the cream cheese filling. You want to start off with a medium-sized bowl. And I got 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. I took them out of the fridge maybe 15 minutes ago. You want them to be room temperature, just so it's easier to beat them up together. I'm trying to think of what's next. Okay. You also need 4 eggs, and you want to separate them.
Are you using the whites?
Yep. We are using the whites and the yolk.
Are you using both?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was going to say I was really looking forward to some yolk sitting in our fridge for a week. Really bad.
Nope, you need both. The yolk broke.
Surprise!
All right, now that the eggs are separated, you can just move the whites off to the side, and you are going to add the yolks in with the cream cheese. And you're going to take some lemon juice, add a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then finally, you want to add 1.5 cups of sugar. Oops. Now we can just blend it all together. Can you believe that this is the lowest setting possible? There's a few little clumps of cream cheese, but I think it's because it could have been a little bit more room temperature, but that's fine. We are almost done with the filling, so I want to go to the oven and preheat it at 325. Now you are going to beat the egg whites. You just want to beat them until they are light and fluffy, which is what this looks like. And now you can add the egg whites to the filling once you get your good friend, the rubber spatula. And you're just going to fold this in together. All right, I'm going to say that's pretty good. Now you can pour the filling in the springform pan. It's very gooey. Doesn't it look gooey to you? All right, that's it. Now we can stick this in the oven and bake it for 35 minutes. Ta-da! After 35 minutes of the cheesecake being in the oven, we are going to turn the oven off and let it sit in there for an hour. Once that hour's up, we are going to take it out and put it in the fridge and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Here's our lovely cracked cheesecake. Just took it out of the fridge. It's been sitting for a day, so now we can taste it. This is supposed to come off somehow. You just loosen this clasp and then pull it up. Oh, there we go. Maybe not. There we go, there we go. Why isn't this? Oh, I got it. Ta-da! All right, we'll make our first cut. Do our taste test.
Any idea why it's cracked?
I overmixed the egg whites and then air got to it when it was baking and it's cracked.
I don't want it.
But no, it doesn't affect the taste. This is difficult. I'm trying to get all the crust. Oh, there's a ton of crust at the bottom of
Maybe
that.
you should have sprayed it.
It did.
Let me. God, you're giving me anxiety looking at you.
Don't scratch my pan.
Do you want the crust or not?
Oh, you got it.
You didn't cut it.
Don't
Why
yell
is
at
it so
me.
difficult?
I could probably eat the whole thing on my own. It's really good. Like, I don't even think it needs fruit on top.
Why am I always licking my fingers? Have you ever noticed that?
Because you're gross.
No, it's very sweet, and the graham crackers.
A little
on the
too
bottom.
sweet?
No, the amount of sugar in the graham crackers on the bottom is very, very good. Like it's. You know, sometimes you get that bland cheesecake crust,
Yeah.
and it's just like, Like I think the graham crackers make it.
I think it's really good.
Like it's really, really good. Don't mind the fact that it's cracked in half.
It just means I overmixed it, but it doesn't do anything for the taste.
Yeah, it's really good.
I like it.
It's really, really, really good.
If you want strawberries, I can give you strawberries. I don't think you need fruit on it though.
It's breakfast time. I'm gonna go eat a donut.
Or how about a slice of cheesecake? All right, well, I'm gonna finish my slice. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and next week come back to our channel when we make something else. And stay tubby.